Jackson. What's up, guys? And we're outside of Just Wings right now. We're about to do what challenge is it? We're eating our city's hottest wings today. We've read the reviews and stuff, and everybody said they're super hot. Some people can't even finish it. It's 5 wings, and then we have to eat them all and wait 5 minutes until we're done before we can drink anything. So here we go. Dude, I almost flipped my bro. They have a sign that says out of wings. I go, what?
Hopefully we become part of the Wall of Fame.
So we just ordered the wings, now we're waiting.
Oh man, here we go.
It's 11 wings.
Alright, thank you.
God, bro. This hoe's stank. Smell like my granny ass.
Ready, bro?
Bro, they weren't joking. Oh no. My lips already, bro.
I took one Spanish class in high school, and the only thing I learned was delicioso. I wish y'all could smell these, bro, because these smell like 10 cans of Bounce That Ass. Benz, I'm gonna need you to have an ambulance on standby.
Okay. I don't like it. You good, bro?
I wanna go home.
Those are some big wings.
Is that hot?
They're pretty hot. I love it.
Okay. Thank you. That is really hot.
Super hot.
Yeah, it's a pimple hot.
Dude, I'm sweating. Oh my god, bro. I'm gonna have to take another shower. I can't even breathe this shit in.
It's like I'm 7 and I lost my mom in the shopping mall.
I don't like it.
Oh no, dude. It's worse than failing a final exam.
Look at the top of his head.
My man's look like he just got done with a football game. Sweating on me.
Dude, my lips are vibrating. I blow my lips like. Look at his lips.
2 hours later.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never.
Dude, I don't feel like myself right now. I really can't finish these. Like, I really can't. Like, dude, my fingers burn. I can't even swallow this wrapper. I'm gonna throw up.
Chief called. Let's saying it.
We left that meetings when you.
Okay.
You know, I was about to let this thing get the best of me. But then I realized who I am.
One eternity later.
Done. Done.
I can't. The hardest part was over, bro.
My legs have been shaking this whole fucking time. I never wanted to give up so badly.
My mouth's numb. I think I'm starting to form a list.
My like red. Dude, oh my god, like, my head is screaming like, go get a f***ing drink of water.
3, 2, 1. That's a lot better.
Alright guys, that's the end of the video. My lips are literally still burning from how hot those wings were. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you enjoyed the video, please comment, subscribe, and smash that like button. Peace